Motivation is a lie you tell yourself to avoid doing the work. It is a comfortable trap. You believe that to take action, you must first feel a spark. You wait for the stars to align, for the energy to rise, for the mood to be perfect. You wait to feel like it. This is why you fail. If you require excitement to perform your duties, you are a slave to your own biology. You have handed the keys of your life to your fluctuating emotions. One day you are a conqueror, the next you are defeated, simply because the chemical rush of motivation has faded. The Stoic does not rely on motivation. He views motivation as a bonus, a luxury, pleasant if it arrives, but irrelevant to the task at hand. Consider the nature of feelings. They are transient. Like the weather, they shift without warning. Relying on motivation to build a life is like building a house on the sand near the tide. You might make progress for an hour, but eventually the water comes in, the feeling leaves, and you are left with nothing. A man who relies on motivation is inconsistent. He is unreliable. He cannot be trusted by others, and worse, he cannot be trusted by himself. When the initial burst of enthusiasm dies, and it always dies, he abandons the path. This is the difference between the amateur and the professional. The amateur waits for inspiration. The professional knows that inspiration is a byproduct of labor, not a prerequisite for it. The Stoic operates on a different fuel source entirely. It is not excitement, it is not passion, it is duty. Duty does not care how you feel. Duty does not ask if you are tired or sad or uninspired. Duty simply points to the task and demands it be done. When you shift your operating system from "I do this because I want to" "I do this because it is necessary," you become dangerous. You become unstoppable. Because while motivation is fragile, necessity is absolute.